Nestled in the dense woodlands of Zigui County, Xixi Campsite, the region's first luxurious camping destination in Xixi Town, has officially opened its doors today. Located just 98 kilometers away from the urban area of Yichang, Xixi Campsite combines beauty of nature with comfort of lavish tents, boathouse-themed villas, cozy wooden houses, and spacious suites, accommodating up to 120 guests. Additionally, its 20-plus lawn camping sites are perfect for barbecues, picnics, and bonfire parties. This is the poetry and distance just beyond our doorstep.